Welcome to the library of the Hochschule für Wirtschaft und Recht Berlin. In this video, we would like to give you a concise overview on the library's collections and services and a short introduction into the literature research with our discovery service HOVA. The library team is dedicated to support you with your studies. That's why we keep an up-to-date library collection with over 200,000 physical books and other material such as printed journals in our collection for you to work with. By licensing a variety of databases, we provide access to thousands of ebooks, electronic journal articles, videos, and other digital researches, which can easily be accessed from wherever you are. Our library is also a nice place to study if you need a quiet space to focus. We offer a variety of on-site services like group study rooms, carrels, and printing and scanning facilities. We have two on-site library locations, one at Campus Schöneberg and one at Campus Lichtenberg. The library on Campus Schöneberg mainly serves the Department 1 with a focus on business administration, economics, statistics, social sciences, and associated subjects. The entrance to the library in Schöneberg is in Building A on the 4th floor. The entrance to the library on Campus Lichtenberg is located in Building 6B, room 171. Its collection mainly focuses on law, police and criminal sciences, security management, politics, social sciences, history, special business administration, and technology. Please note, bags, food, and beverages are not allowed inside the library, but you may use our lockers to store these when visiting. Please visit our website for current information on our opening hours. On the HWR website, you find the library website listed under Service Facilities. Right on top of our website, we put a search box for our discovery service HOVA. HOVA is the search interface for our library collection. It indexes our library catalog, all books and ebooks that are available, as well as many other databases. HOVA is the perfect choice to start your literature research. To conduct a search, please enter the title of a book or of an article, the name of an author, or an ISBN or DOI number, or a keyword in the search box. You may want to switch to English here. Before you start going through your results, I highly recommend you to always log in with your library account first by clicking on Login for full access on the top of the result list. Please enter your library account data here. Your username is your matriculation number. You find this number on your campus card. If you have not used your library account before, you need to create a password first. To create a password, please go back to the library website and scroll down to BibKey. Click on the link and log in with your general HWR account. This is the same account you use for Moodle and for your email. Then follow the steps to create a new password. After successfully creating a new password for your library account, finish your login in HOVA. Let's have a look at the result list, which is pretty long. You may want to narrow it down by using limiters on the left side. For my search, it's important to see current publications, so I use a publication date limiter. You may also filter by publication type, subject, or language. My first result is an electronic resource, an ebook. To access the full text, I click on the link Full Text, which redirects me to the provider's website, where I can download a PDF file. My second result is a journal article, which is available online. I use the displayed link again to download the full text from the provider's website. Most of our electronic resources have unlimited access. That means that you can download and save the full text in PDF format whenever you need it and keep it as long as you want. Only a few ebooks have limited access. I show you one example. The library can only provide one copy of this ebook. That means that only one person can read it at the same time. The downloaded PDF must be opened with a special PDF viewer. You can use Adobe Digital Edition, which is free. Let's go back to our initial search. I modify my search terms to get different results. Now, my second result is a physical book in the library collection on Campus Schöneberg. Physical items are easy to spot because of this box with all relevant information about this item, like location, call number, and status. Green means that this book is available. You can write down the call number, come to the library in Schöneberg, and pick it up from the shelf. If the status is red, the book is either currently on loan, entliehen in German, or reference only, nicht ausleihbar in German. The standard loan period is 15 working days and can be extended up to 6 times in the library account, as long as no request has been made. Reference holdings can be borrowed overnight or over the weekend. Excluded from the loan are magazines and loose-leaf collections. If a book is currently on loan, like this one here, you can put a request on it. That means that you get a notification when the book is returned to the library and reserve it for you to pick it up in the following 5 days. To put a request on an item, please click on the link Catalog. You can now choose a library location where you prefer to collect the item. You then get redirected to the result in our catalog. The catalog is only available in German. To put a request on this item, click on Bestellen and again on Bestellen and log in with your library account. You immediately get the response that you have successfully put a request on this item. The exact same steps also work for ordering an item from one library location to the other library location. For a complete overview on all your loans, orders and requests and fees, you can use the direct link into your library account from our website. This is also where you can renew loan periods of borrowed items. Log in with your library account again. These are my current loans, orders, requests, and fees. Let's go back to our result list in Hover to have a closer look on databases. Most of our databases are already included in your Hover search, but some databases aren't included and must be searched separately. You find 4 of them on the right side of your result list. Statista is one example. By clicking on the name, I get redirected to the database to continue my research in statistics, graphs and statistics. You find a complete list of all our licensed databases on our website. Click on Literature Research, scroll down to Online Databases, and click on List of Online Databases. The list gives you a short description of all databases and information on how to get access. Click on the name of the database to start a search. Log in with your library account. You can now search the database. If you are looking for a particular journal, you can use Hover as well. Click on Search in Journals and e-Content and fill in the name of the journal. This specific journal is available in print on Campus Schöneberg, as well as online in 2 of our databases. To have a look into the electronic journal, click on the link. You will be forwarded to the provider's website, where you have access to the full text. The whole library team welcomes you and wishes you a good start at the HWR Berlin. Do you have any questions or suggestions? Please contact us. We are looking forward to meet you at the library.